This is a 2008 Sundowner, 2-horse gooseneck. This trailer is on consignment here at Trailer Country. It is in immaculate condition, really. Oh, I'm sorry, I said 2008. It's a 2005. My apologies, 2005. 2005 Sundowner 2-horse gooseneck. Straight load. It's got a steel frame and aluminum skin. And the steel frame on this trailer is immaculate. I'm actually going to show you a little bit of that. So, of course, there is some minor surface rust, which is to be expected on a used steel frame trailer. This trailer does not have the steel frame issues that we have seen out of used Sundowner trailers. Very pleasantly surprised at the frame of this trailer. It's got new tires. Couple were put on right before it was brought to us to sell, and then we found one that had not been replaced, so we went ahead and took care of that. It's got an aluminum floor, which is in great shape. Rubber mats over the aluminum floor. Padded sidewalls. Padded divider. Head divider, removable. Of course, all the dividers are removable. 2 pop-up roof vents. Rear ramp with top doors. You can tie those top doors open for travel. Fenders and running boards are in great shape. It's got 2 load lights. Steel wheels are in really good condition. There's that removable swinging head divider again. Walls aren't really banged up at all. Horse trailer has hardly been used. You can see a little bit where a horse stuck its leg up against the wall. For a 15, 16-year-old trailer, it's immaculate. Huge dressing room. This is oversized. Blanket bar, bridle hooks, saddle racks. The camper vent is new. We also just resealed the roof. Just a routine maintenance kind of thing. Has the feed bags that go in front of the horses. This trailer's been very, very well cared for. Very clean. No damage to speak of. Running boards and fenders are in good shape. I'm not really even seeing any tree rubs like you see on a used trailer. Looks really good. Just double check this side. Nope, I really don't see any marks on the skin outside. It's really, really a nice trailer. Oh, there's it, okay. There's a little mark. Otherwise, I don't see any blemishes to speak of. So roof sealed, new camper vent in the dressing room. We would have sealed the pop-up vents in the horse area. That ramp is super light. I just lifted that with one arm. These doors tie back so you can travel with them open when it's hot. Again, this is a 2005, I misspoke in the beginning, 2005 Sundowner 2-horse gooseneck in exceptional used condition. You can see all the specs on our website at trailercountryllc.com.